In this video, I'll show you how to solve algebraic proportion problems. Question 1 reads, a man is 25 years old and his brother is 15. In how many years will their age be in the ratio of 5 to 4? So for question 1, right now the older brother is 25 and the younger brother, if we compare it, is 15. So I just created a fraction where the older brother is at the top and the younger brother is at the bottom. This is a 5 to 3 ratio. So currently the difference in their age is 5 to 3. They're asking when will it become 5 to 4? So in this case, we have 25 plus x over 15 plus x is equal to 5 over 4. We want to find out at what age will the older and the younger brother have to be so that they are 5 to 4 years in a ratio apart. Now the reason why I put plus x for both is because they'll both be aging at the same time, and x is the required number of years to reach the 5 to 4 ratio. That being said, to solve for x, we cross multiply, and I do have a video dedicated to that, where I multiply this expression with the 5 and 4 with the opposite numerator, giving us 25 plus x times 4 is equal to 5 times 15 plus x. Expanding both sides, we end up with 100 plus 4x is equal to 5 times 15 is 75 plus 5x. Collecting like terms, bringing the 4x over and the 75 over, we end up with 100 minus 75. 5x minus 4x gives us 25 is equal to x. This tells us that the older brother will be 50 because 25 plus 25 is 50, and the younger brother will be 40. Comparing 50 to 40, we end up with 5 over 4. In question 2, we're asked, the difference between two numbers is 12, and the larger is to the smaller as 11 is to 7. What are the two numbers? To answer this question, let's compare the two numbers as they are right now. We are told that there is a larger number that is 12 units bigger than the smaller one. So we'll call x the larger number, and we'll call y the smaller number. And the difference between the two, so we can say that y is equal to x minus 12. And they are in a ratio of 11 to 7. So we have x over y is equal to 11 over 7. And we know what y is equal to. It's x minus 12. What we have to do is solve for x. And once again, we can use cross multiplication, multiplying that expression with the numerator and 7 with x, giving us 7x is equal to 11 bracket x minus 12. Expanding the right side, 11x, and 11 times negative 12 is negative 132. All we have to do is collect like terms and solve for x. Bringing that over, we get negative 11 plus 7x is equal to negative 132. Simplifying the left side gives us negative 4x is equal to negative 132. Dividing both sides by negative 4 gives us our x value, which is equal to negative 132 divided by negative 4 is 33. Now that we found our x value, we can easily find out the larger and the smaller. The larger is 33, and the smaller is 33 minus 12. 33 minus 12 is 21. And there you have it. That is how to solve algebraic proportion problems.